Hey, what's up? The new day, the new video on our channel, Tech Brothers. Today I want to tell you about the new wireless earbuds Tranya B530. By the way, we have video about 5 best wireless earbuds of the beginning of 2020. You can watch the video by the link in description. Can we add Tranya B530 to the list of the best earbuds of 2020? Let's find out. Hit the like button under the video and let's get started. The earbuds come in a black box with company logo on the front side. Inside the box there is a user manual, charging case with earbuds inside, and other black boxes with accessories such as extra ear tips and micro USB charging cable. Okay, now let's look at the charging case and earbuds themselves. By the way, a couple of weeks ago we were already doing a review of other TWS earbuds from Tranya company. It was Tranya Remover. Tranya B530 have a similar design to Tranya Remover, especially earbuds. Talking about charging case, it has a transparent black lid. There are 4 LED indicators on the charging case, which say about battery level. On the side, there is only micro USB port. You can find some information about battery at the bottom of charging case. The dimensions of charging case are 80 by 50 by 28 mm. The weight of each earbuds is 4.5 grams. The weight of charging case without earbuds is 44 grams. As for earbuds, they have the same color as charging case. The inside of earbuds has matte finish, while the outside is glossy. You can see the image on the outside. Actually, this is a logo of Tranya company. There is also LED indicator at the bottom. On the inside, you can find charging contacts, microphone and ear tips. Tranya B530 uses touch control button. I should say that it is very responsible. Later, I will tell you about control options. The earbuds fit comfortably in the ears. I listened to music for hours and I didn't feel any discomfort. By the way, Tranya B530 earbuds have IPX5 water resistance. They are protected from water and sweat. They are suitable for sports, but you shouldn't swim or take shower with earbuds. Tranya B530 uses Bluetooth 5.0 technology for connection with mobile devices. You just need to take the earbuds out of the charging case. Go to Bluetooth settings on your phone and choose B530R. That's all, you are ready to listen to music. Now I want to tell you about available control options. You can play and pause the music, switch tracks, take or reject the phone calls, and also change the volume. I think that the volume control is an important and very useful function, but many earbuds do not have it. Fortunately, you can change the volume on Tranya B530. Tranya B530 have a 6mm dynamic driver with nano-titanium diaphragm. You know, I like instrumental music, and these earbuds are perfect for it. Each instrument is well defined and sound great. In general, I'm very satisfied with the sound quality of $40 wireless earbuds. By the way, the manufacturer says that Tranya B530 have passive noise reduction. The earbuds block the background noises, so you listen to music or a podcast with no distraction. Finally, let's talk about battery of Tranya B530. Battery life is the next feature of these wireless earbuds. Each earbud is equipped with 55 mAh battery. The charging case has 800 mAh capacity. The manufacturer says that you can listen to music 8 hours on a single charge. The charging case provides 7 extra full recharge. In total, you get 56 hours of playtime. It is very good battery life for budget earbuds. The price of Tranya B530 is about $40. The sound quality and battery life are very good for budget wireless earbuds. Although I prefer physical control buttons, the touch panel works very well. There is also volume control, and that's a big advantage over many other wireless earbuds. Thanks for watching this video. In the description I will leave the link where you can buy Tranya B530. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.